There we go.
Hello everybody, today, hang on, this was your idea to come to this place. Where are we?
We are out and about at Gamcheon Cultural Village.
That's a great little intro, and this is a great little village. So please come and join us today as we explore and take a good look around.
Here we are, the Gamcheon Culture Village. Gam means God. Try that ice cream.
Little shop, selling handmade stuff in there. This one does. Hello. Some fruit. 안녕하세요. Look at those little steps going into that someone's house there. Or, no, probably not. Imagine walking up there drunk. No railing. Ugh. I haven't got the good walking shoes on today. Break time. Here we go. What's this on the left here? It's like a touristy spot. The local park in the village. This is it's a fitness area, but yes, what a good little spot. Well, all this walking around the village has made me quite thirsty, so I stopped in this little cafe and got myself a Gamcheon-dong vanilla latte. How cool's that?
Okay, here's Mabel. It's good. Hey, no, you do. One for you. Okay, another one for you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video of
Gamcheon Cultural Village.
we sure did, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Bye.